You know how Nigerians like to argue online. You hear them say Nigeria will qualify for next World Cup. Bitcoin will hit 100k next year. With Gate Polymarket, users can actually participate in live prediction markets using Gate Exchange app. Prediction markets are based on certain real-world events, and price can move very fast. So it is very important you understand the market risk so that you can always trade with caution. Please know that. If you are new to Gate Exchange, all you need to do is to use the link which is below the description of this video to sign up. So as soon as you open the app, it will take you to the home page. This is the home page, and you come down here, you tap on Alpha. You can see it is now up here. This is Alpha. This is Polymarket. All this menu you are seeing down here belongs to Polymarket. To see it fully, you tap more, and you can see inside Gate Exchange app, you have option to make a prediction on so many real-world events. This is soccer. If you tap this is about World Cup winners. Who is going to win World Cup? Is this France or Spain? Don't worry, I will explain how you do it step by step. This is crypto. This is basketball. This is general sport. You can see, you can predict about weather, about politics, about technology, so many options. Gate Exchange has made it very easy to participate. For instance, you don't need gas fee to participate, unlike other platforms. You don't need to switch between one network to another. All you need to do is to sign up to your Gate Exchange app and start making prediction. Gate has integrated Polymarket inside Gate Exchange app, which make it very easy for you to use your USDT to make prediction very fast. You don't need separate wallet. You don't need to move money around. Everything you do will happen inside Gate Exchange app. I'm going to go for soccer event prediction. I will tap soccer. This is World Cup event. If you scroll down, this is PSG Arsenal event. This is Jofa league winner. If I want to go for this event, I'm predicting that PSG will win Champions League. I will tap PSG. You can see UEFA Champions League winner. Will PSG win Champions League? If I say yes, I will stake $5 for saying yes. I will get $8.47 if I'm right. Look at it. Payout if right. For me to commit it, I will preview first. This is the amount I'm spending. You can see order confirmation. I'm predicting PSG will win the Champions League. This is the amount I will get. This is the amount I'm staking. This is the difference. That is the amount I will gain. Don't forget, if my prediction is wrong, I will lose all my $5. If I'm okay with the order confirmation, I will tap confirm. Look at it, order confirm. You see, on Gate Polymarket, you don't need to wait until the end of the event before you get your profit back. You can sell your order and you can buy order. To do that, you come to this place. I will tap PSG. I will come to this place, market. This is where you select the market, limit, order book. These are the order book. That is people that have traded yes, and these are people that have traded no. I've already taken a position and I can decide to sell my position and collect my money back. I don't need to wait until the end of the match to get my stake money back. So to do that, you come back to this place, you tap that market, you come down. Where we've been seeing before was under payout mode. So you tap trader. Look at our selected trader. You tap confirm. You can see what I did before was I bought, and this is the balance of my money. But if I want to collect my money back and I don't want to wait for that day again, I will tap sell. I can decide to sell according to any ratio I want. I will tap 100%. That is, I want to sell my position that PSG will win the Champions League. You will see this review. If there's somebody that is ready to buy that my position, otherwise you will not see any commitment here. So I will tap review. Don't forget, I'm selling my position. You can see I've sold my position. Order submitted and is processing. Place order successful. I sold my position just to let you know how you can sell your position and even buy an event predicted by somebody else. How do you credit your account? On Gate Polymarket, you can credit your account. You tap here, this plus sign. You can see transfer. This transfer is for between Gate exchange users to another Gate exchange user. This is on chain. That is, you want to receive funds from Bybit, or you want to transfer funds from your MetaMask wallet or your Trust wallet. Suppose you want to transfer money from your bank account in your country. This when you use P2P. I want to use this to explain an important thing that you need to know. The earlier you enter a prediction market at a lower probability, the higher your potential payout will be. If you enter early when the event look very unlikely, you are likely to get a higher pay than somebody that is entering very late when the event is highly likely to happen. As soon as the event ends, you'll be able to claim your settle balance automatically. All you just need to do is to come here. You can see you'll be able to set your payout mode, and you tap here, confirm, and you see your money here. Your money is already in your spot account automatically. You can see this 4.71. If I go to my main Gate account, you can see the money is here, 4.71. All you just need to do is to tap withdraw and you'll be able to send your money out of the platform. Don't forget to always participate responsibly and ensure you understand the risk involved. So don't forget to use the link below the description of this video, especially if you are new to Gate exchange platform, and you get some reward in deposit for using that link. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.